For all the ice cream lovers out there, I hope you're listening. I have a fantastic, tasty tip for you using chocolate and sprinkles. And these sprinkles are a lot of fun. They're confetti sprinkles. So we're going to place these sprinkles into a bowl. Lots of lovely colours, the whole bottle. And I've melted some chocolate. Now, I'm using dark chocolate, but this works really well with milk chocolate and white chocolate. And I'll grab my waffle cone. We're going to dunk it in our chocolate and then straight into our unicorn confetti and coat the whole chocolate in the confetti. And just to give it a helping hand, just sprinkle it on. How good does that look? Having so much fun just making these. These can set, or if you're impatient like me, you just have to top it with some vanilla ice cream. I feel like a double scoop today. There you go. What a fabulous idea. The kiddies are going to love that. The big kiddies are gonna love it too. So much fun.